Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Aditya Chitore in Computer Department, Zeal College of Engineering and Research Pune. My team members are Ayushi Shinde, Sanket Shinde and Shruti Shinde. I am presenting the project Random Wikipedia article using Python with assistant of the project coordinators Mahesh Pokarkar sir. Next code will be explained.
Thank you for such a wonderful introduction. So this is our basic code of this random Wikipedia article generator, in which we have used Python and some external modules called as Wikipedia and web browser to perform some tasks. So we generally described an getPage function, which if it gets no topics, it will randomly generate one topic and it will be loaded in the Wikiload variable. After that, user can interact with the code. So according to the user, we will perform some basic tasks, such as if he presses yes, then we will show a summary, and if he wants to read more, he can go to the Wikipedia page. If he wants to quit, then he can press Q and then the program will quit successfully. If he want to see some new articles, he can press N and new articles will be randomly generated. After that, if some wrong input is given, the function will re-execute itself. Then calling this getPage function to see the working. So let's run this file and see the code in the working mode. So here you can see our program started, random Wikipedia article generator. So would you like to read about 0JIBWA? Let's read about this. It seems some interesting. So we have got some information about it. This is something related to United States and Midwestern United States. So this is basic information. If you want to read more, you can go to the browser and check out the official wiki page, but I don't want to go. I will press N and then enter. So it is asking me if I want to read more. I want to read more, so I will press yes, and then again the program re-executes. So it is asking, would you like to read more about Geoffrey of Bellevue? So I don't want to read. So now it is showing something about, would you like to read about Ashra Temple? So I want to read about this, so I will press yes, and then it is giving a basic summary of that Ashra Temple. So I would want to read more about this. I will go into the browser, so I will press yes, and you can see a new web page automatically got initialized, and you can read more about this whole page. So after that, you can again go to the program and re-execute this for some another topics. So now it is asking to read about some new topics, so I don't want to read anymore. I will press Q and the program will execute successfully. It will quit successfully.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.